Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a banjo uke to show you today, number 1021. It's a tenor ukulele scale banjo uke, you know, strung G, C, E, A. But this one's got the 10-inch rim instead of the 8-inch rim. So it's just a kind of a beefier, more substantial banjo uke. They're really fun to play. It's got, I think the more mass, the bigger head, it just moves a little more air. It might lose a little bit of that kind of sparkling charm of the little guys, but I think it's still really cool. So the main wood for this instrument is some curly cherry. It's a scrap from a cabinet maker project, and it's got a bunch of these like cool bark inclusions and dark lines in it, which I really like. I just think it looks awesome. And like right here. Then the secondary wood is dogwood. And both of these are from Lizanne's house, from the Carpenter Aunt Stash. This dogwood tree was from her property. And dogwood's cool. It's like as hard as the pistachio, almost as hard as the pistachio I use. And it's got like a mellow, kind of peachish red color that darkens over time. This has got a synthetic head, low G, G, C, E, A. Yeah, it's making, when I sit here, I've got all these other old ukes and stuff that's randomly strung up around. When I'm playing a chord, all of them vibrate. The whole room is vibrating off of this little friend here. Very cool. Yeah, so anyway, thanks Peter for the order. Number 1021 is ready to go.